So here, the first thing I'll do is to figure out car 1, which is already 20 kilometers here. How much time does it take to do this remaining 130 kilometers? So we know that in the first 50 kilometers, we have 30 more left here, 30 kilometers. And if it's going at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take 30 over 100 or 0.3 hours. Now for the remaining 2 sections of 50 kilometers here, for the next 50 kilometers, so that would be 1 hour. And then finally, for the final 50, the time would be distance over the rate, so that's 2 hours. So car 1 will take a total of 3.3 hours. And car 2 then starts at this point. So the question is, how far does it go in that 3.3 hours? And now for car 2, we know that the first 50 kilometer, because it goes at 100 kilometers per hour, takes 0.5 hours. Then for the next, it takes 1 hour. So far, it spent 1.5 hours. Now I have how much time left? 1.8 hour for that final leg, which is the 50 kilometer. And because it's driving at 25 kilometer per hour, I can figure out how much distance it would travel in that. So if you multiply that by 25, you would get 45 kilometers. So for that third leg, it's only able to travel 45 kilometers, which means it would be 5 kilometers from the end. And at that same point, car 1 had just reached the end or point B here. So the answer is 5 kilometers, which is what they're asking, distance between 2 and car 1 when they reach B. So the answer is 5.